Hello, we're going to be looking today at the new release of Radan 2012 R1. This is a great new release for Radan. It brings new functionality for laser machines, giving great control over common cutting and new ways of tagging parts in that really allow people to automate and get the most out of their machines. There's also a lot for our many users of punching technology as well, and some great new features to promote ease of use. All in all, I think this is a really great release of Radan, and I'm looking forward to getting feedback once it goes into the marketplace.
There's no denying that profiling machines are taking the market by storm these days. Far more punching machines are being replaced by profiling machines rather than punching machines. And this offers companies more opportunities, more flexibility in the manufacturing, but also gives more challenges in terms of logistics and part handling, because profiling machines are generally not automated as much as punching machines. Radan 2012 R1 allows the user to be far more exact in specifying which parts or scraps need to be tagged into the material. So the user can make choices about whether small parts should be tagged in, small bits of scrap could fall out into the machine. All this whilst preserving full automation. 2012 R1 also offers the possibility to form bridges between profiles. The reason for doing this is to reduce cutting time, especially on thicker materials. By bridging profiles together, parts together, you avoid having to pierce multiple times, which can be a lengthy and messy process on thicker materials. As well as investing heavily into the profiling side of this release, we've also added functionality to the punching side of 2012 R1. And this has resulted into a new user experience whilst tooling up complex punching parts. It advises the user about the choices he can make, he has made, and the effects it will have on the operation of the machine finally. When we introduced the new TrueShape Nester a few releases ago, we started to realize how powerful it really was. It was competitive in the market and market leading. Radan 2012 R1 adds new functionality to harness that power by making it easier to manipulate lists of parts, to enter priorities for the multiple sheets that you might offer to the Nester to nest on. And documentation has been improved as well to make it clearer what goes out to the shop floor, essentially. As well as being a technical challenge, common cutting on laser machines can be a challenge on the shop floor as well. Radan 2012 R1 addresses this issue and makes it very easy and very flexible to adjust the degree of common cutting that is allowed into the shop floor. So the customer has full control about the risks that he's willing to take and the benefits that he will get from the common cutting in reduced cycle time and reduced material usage. Radan 2012 R1 automates the interaction between Radan, the programming system for press brakes, and Radan 3D, our modeling system. If any changes or decisions are made in Radan now has the opportunity to update the Radan 3D model automatically. And this means that Radan 3D will produce an unfolding that is accurate by reducing the amount of manual intervention and therefore the risk of human error. And by creating the correct unfolding the first time, the manufacturing will be more accurate and will produce shorter lead times.
We're very proud of this new release. Thank you very much for watching.